Assalamualaikum madam. We are from Group 12 would like to present our assignment.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zafran bin Muhammad Yusuf. Today I want to present about introduction for our group. My metric number is A19A0318. A significant aspect of managing company is mathematics. This is because business deal with money and money is cover everything. Business and mathematics go hand in hand. As a point or the other, there is a need for everyone to handle cash to make decisions that require everyone to know mathematics. Company mathematics is used to document and control business activities by commercial companies. In accounting, inventory management, marketing, revenue forecasting, and financial analysis, commercial companies use mathematics. It's help you know the financial formulas fraction, measurement involved in interest calculation, higher rates and salary calculation. Besides that, it's help complete business tasks efficiently. Business mathematics also includes statistics and provide a solution to business problem. In a mathematics business book, it shows all simplifies and integrate annuity types and variable calculation utilize relevant algebraic symbol and integrate with a calculator. It also shows structure, exercise, annotated and detailed formulas and relevant personal and professional application in the discussion guide example, case studies and even homework question. So for the objective of this study are to develop proficiency in the application to solve business problem. Second is to understand how to process and interpret information to arrive at logical. Third is to define the amount of cash necessary to stand and sustain a business. Lastly is to understand the important role math play in all phases of the business world. That is from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muzaira Akila binti Abu Bakar. My metric number is A19A0392. So I would like to explain about our calculation of regular pay, overtime pay, commission, piecework earning, and gross pay based on the Jelita and Kacak Boutiques employee. For additional information, Jelita and Kacak Boutiques pays for the employees with 4 ringgit for each t-shirt and pants produced, and blouse and skirt for 6 ringgit for each produced. Jelita and Kacak Boutiques will pay 10% fee to workers when the sale reach 2,500 ringgit. Overtime rate for the employee is paid for 1.5 times hourly pay. So, the calculation about the amount of salary was paid for employee who works in operation department, regular paid equal hourly rate multiply numbers of hours work. 15 ringgit multiply 40 hours multiply 4 weeks. So the total is 2,100 ringgit per month. Therefore, Muzaira Akila binti Abu Bakar will be paid as much as 2,100 ringgit every month. Second, the amount of overtime paid for employee who works in operation department. Overtime paid equal overtime rates multiply overtime hours work equal to 15 ringgit multiply 1.5 multiply 7 hours. So the total is 157 ringgit 50 cent. Therefore, Muzaira Akila binti Abu Bakar will be paid for overtime 189 ringgit for 7 hours. Third, the amount of commission was paid for employees who works in sale department. Commission equal total sale multiply commission rate equal 6,600 ringgit times 10% equal to 660 ringgit. Therefore, the commission for Siti Noafika binti Rosli for 6,600 ringgit, sale is 660 ringgit. 4. The amount of piecework earning for employee who works in operation department. Piecework earning equal number of unit produced multiply rate per unit equal 4 ringgit multiply 50 unit plus 6 ringgit multiply 50. So the total is 500 ringgit. Therefore, the piecework earning for Aryati Ayina binti Hassan is 500 ringgit. The last one, the amount of gross pay for employee who works at operation department. Gross pay equals salary, regular paid, plus overtime paid. So, RM 2,100 ringgit plus 157 ringgit 50 cent. So, the total is RM 2,257 ringgit 50 cent.
My name is Aryati Ayina binti Hassan and my matric number is A19A0067. Okay, I will explain about question number 2. The first question is estimate the amount that your company needs to start up the business. Hence, using the interest rate given, find the interest amount and the amount after the time given. Show all the calculation. This is table 1. We use two formulas to calculate the interest amount and future value. First is simple interest and simple amount. Second is compound interest and compounded amount. Calculation for loan from relative, we can use simple interest formula. Simple interest formula is equal to amount times interest rate times time period. RM 10,000 times 0.065 times 12, and the answer is RM 7,800. For simple account formula, simple interest equals to amount times 1 plus rate, interest rate, and time period. RM 10,000 times 1 plus 0.065 times 12. And we'll get RM 10,000 in bracket 1.78. And the answer is RM 17,800. To calculate the future value of bank loan, we can use the compound interest formula. Future value is equals to amount times 1 plus interest rate. Number of time invest is calculated. Periodic interest rate is nominal interest divided by number interest period in a year. 0.07 divided by 2, and the answer is 0.035. Number of time invest is calculated equals to number interest period in a year times investment period in a year. 2 times 9, and the answer is 18. Future value is equals to amount times 1 plus periodic interest rate, and number of time interest is calculated. RM 15,000 times 1 plus 0.035, and number of time interest of calculated is 18. RM 15,000 times 1.857, and the answer is RM 27 and 855. Next is future value minus amount. RM 27 and 855 minus RM 15,000, and the answer is 12,855. Second question is create a promissory note for the loan from relative based on table 1 and using the date of established as a date of the note. Okay, this is promissory note. In promissory note, we need amount, established date, name of the person we loan, and interest the rate, and but not least is due date and person in charge. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Errol Hakim and I will be presenting question 3. The machinery used in Jelita and Kacak boutiques is 2 units of cutting machine, 3 units of sewing machine, and 2 units of finishing machine. The next one is depreciation schedule for 6 years using declining balance method. BV is the book value, C is cost of asset, R is annual rate of depreciation, and N is the number of years. So this is the table of the depreciation schedule. The first row is the years, the number of years, and the second row is annual depreciation. The formula is annual rate of depreciation times book value. The second row is accumulated depreciation, which is the total accumulated depreciation for the years, and the third row is the book value of the end of the year. last but not least, for question C, the company received an invoice for machinery's cost dated on 1st July 2020 from supplier B. The invoice is paid on 9th July and 22nd July. For 9th July, since the invoice was paid 9 days after the date of the invoice, the buyer was entitled 3% cash discount. So the formula for that is price times discount rate, and you get the answer 79 ringgit and 20 cent. The payment amount minus cash discount, you get 3,560 ringgit 80 cent. For 22nd of July 2020, the invoice was paid after the length of the discount period. So the buyer will not receive any cash discount and need to pay the full payment, which is 3,640 ringgit.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syairah binti Musa. My metric number is A19A0611. For question 4, based on the bank loan that your company have identified in table 1 at 7%, compound monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. A. Calculate the monthly payment. Bank loan and balance is RM3,640 and A is RM293.55. B. Construct the amortization schedule. Formula for find the schedule is interest paid is 1 time 2 beginning balance. Principal paid is monthly payment minus interest paid. For ending paid is beginning balance minus principal paid. Total paid is monthly payment time 2 period. Total principal paid is sum of the principal paid for the consecutive month. Total interest paid is sum of the interest paid for the consecutive months. So the schedule is like that. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nafazil Miti Abdul Karim. My metric number is A19A0475. I would like to conclude all of our assignment. All of the challenge that we have faced to complete our assignment has helped us learn a lot about how to prepare for an organization and how to make a real practical use of mathematical knowledge. Moreover, the valuable lesson in the mathematical of this company offers a lot of experience and skill that can be ready for us to open an actual business. Also, we would be able to improve the productivity of our company in every activities and be more successful when conducting every task. We also discussed numerous business mathematics syllabus such as payroll, interest and discount, depreciation and investment in mathematics, especially the amortization plan. One of them is that we have to come to realize that there is a lot of interest in business mathematics courses, especially in doing business, no matter how small or large, because basic knowledge is very important in business. At the same time, business mathematics courses also teach us every inch of information in business is important and useful. Everything requested in the assignment has already been taught in our syllabus, and it makes it easier for us to do our work. What we can conclude here is that business mathematics courses are very important in running a business. It teaches us every inch of business that we need to know in order to grow a successful business. That's all from our group. Thank you.